$15.59 for 4 miles. Let's go. Walmart Spark was taking entirely too long to come out with their order. So check this out. I went on and unassigned it, and as soon as I did, it popped right back up, and it popped up for like $8 more. So I re-accepted it. But in the meantime, I got an Uber. We got an order right here, $8.03 for 3.7 miles, right here at Chick-fil-A. So I just pulled up. We about to head on in and see if they got it ready. Hopefully it is. Alrighty, we got our Chick-fil-A order dropped off. Now we gonna head right on back to Walmart and see if they got this one ready. But hold on, what's this right here? 1962, 1964 for 13 miles, and it's going up towards Bethauto. Look like it's 2 Papa John's orders. Nah, I think I'm good on that. I'm gonna head on back to Walmart because that one right there was more miles than the Walmart order I got. So I'm gonna just head on back to Walmart and pick that up. But if I get something that's worth my time on Uber, I will be taking that. Alrighty, so I got a notification that my trip was at risk of being late. So you know what? I went on and unassigned it again. You know why? Because I got another offer on UberEats at the same Chick-fil-A that I just left. And see, that's the beauty about being a multi-apper. You can always adapt to the situation. Our next order is going to be $13.07 for 6.9 miles. Now, that's estimating 28 minutes on this one. And I'm okay with that because I just got done with an $8 order. And now I got $13 worth of Chick-fil-A I'm about to pick up. So that right there, that's going to put me over $21. Even if it actually does take me the full 28 minutes for this order, which I estimate it won't, because when I went in there, they was cranking the orders out today in Chick-fil-A. So we finna pull back up and we finna see what's going on. I'm gonna take you guys on inside with me. And we're gonna see if they got it together. Alrighty, we made it back to Chick-fil-A. See if they got this one ready, or if not, how long it takes.
Drinks and milkshakes and ice cream.
Is it for Aaron? Yeah, we're still waiting on the Oreo milkshake.
Don't see mine in there yet, but they do have a couple ready, so shouldn't be too long on that one. Well, that didn't take too long. I was only in there for about 3 minutes, and they came out with the order, and it's a big old bag of Chick-fil-A. I mean, this thing's huge. They definitely feeding the whole family with this one. This one is not gonna fit into the hot bag, that's for sure. And you know what? My silly self left the catering bag at home. One thing I will say about UberEats is they good about sending you orders, right? But they bad about sending them at the wrong times. When you like 1 or 2 minutes away from your delivery approaching, they like to send you an offer, and it be bad offers, and they try to like get you to accidentally click on it. You know what I'm saying? While you trying to figure out where you trying to drop off your current order. So just be careful out there when you're doing UberEats orders. So I see where I'm going, and I'm keeping a track of it on the map because I'm thinking they're gonna send me an order once I get really, really close, and I want to be safe. So just make sure you keep an eye on that with UberEats. Make sure you stay focused. Make sure you stay motivated. And if you like this video, make sure you check out this other one right here. This the one YouTube think you should watch, so you might as well go ahead and watch it. I mean, what the hell you waiting for? Ain't number earning opportunity. Come on, man. Stop playing with me.